Almost 3 months after lockdown period, people trickled into religious shrines, shopping malls, hotels and restaurants on Monday as the government lifted most restrictions on public places amid rising coronavirus cases. This is the first phase of unlock plan, and the restrictions and relaxations in this phase will vary in different provinces based on their COVID-19 conditions. People trickled into religious shrines, shopping malls, hotels and restaurants on Monday as the Indian government lifted most restrictions on public places after almost 3 months of lockdown period amid rising coronavirus cases. It ordered shopping malls, places of worship and restaurants to open under a set of guidelines meant to prevent a further surge of infections in the world's second most populous country. Worshippers wore masks 2 meters apart and went through thermal scanners at temples, gurudwaras, churches and mosques in capital New Delhi and elsewhere in the country that are usually filled to capacity.
In this temple, we are maintaining COVID-19 rules and regulations that we are keeping a board. Who are coming inside the temple, they have to wear the mask like this. They have to close their nose and mouth, and it's a mandatory rule in this temple. At the same time, we are creating a circles here. They have to maintain the social distance while taking Tirtha Prasada.
Disinfection tunnels were installed at the entrance to Delhi shopping malls, but the capital, one of the country's hotspots, will not allow hotels to reopen because it said it might need to convert them into temporary hospitals if there was a big jump in cases.
जो सरकार की गाइडलाइन है उसके हिसाब से उन्होंने जो हमें मानक दिया है कि कितने स्क्वायर फीट में कितने लोग हो सकते हैं, उसके हिसाब से हम मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं. हमने एक डिस्प्ले भी लगा दिया है और जब हमारे नंबर पूरे हो जाएंगे तो हम और एंट्री परमिट नहीं करेंगे जब तक कि कोई मॉल से बाहर नहीं जाता.
India's total number of coronavirus cases reached 256,611, the Health Ministry said, just behind Spain after a record one-day jump of 9,983 infections. Deaths from COVID-19 stood at 7,135, still low compared with other countries that have suffered tens of thousands of fatalities. However, with this in mind, some health experts cautioned against the hasty reopening.